Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to learn unit number 6, factorization, simultaneous equations. What is factorization? The process of expressing a polynomial is as product of two or more polynomial is called factorization. Linear equation. An equation with degree 1 is called linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations. Two or more linear equations which occur in one and the same problem are called simultaneous linear equations. A linear equation in one variable can be written in the form of ax plus b is equal to 0 for all a, b being real numbers with a not equal to 0. Linear equation in two variables. A linear equation in two variables has infinite solutions. Elimination. The method of obtaining a relation free of a particular variable is called elimination. Some basic formulas are given below.